letamo lena ke bokae hobane le pho wena e wela mo mohlomong ntse chepa jola batla ho tsiba ona bo bokae e bo fasa ntate mong wa mowa ne le mowa o thunele mowa mo kenya ka khalaseng e be ba mo kenya le radio gore mane ba khone ho buisana a motheola ya ha ba fihla tlase ntse ba buisana ba bona ntate nwa go bona noa e moetse e mahlo e hlodi pedi e nang le mahlo ka hlonyena le ihlo ka ntlena le ka ntleng ya ba hantse ba botsana gore na yo ka ya yelang ka ntlena ya ga o keteletse mo ha fihla mona mo ga yelang ka ntlena ya be noa ene chata khalasini ya munga ba hula botlo ha ba fitla ba fumana ha sale ntate no wa ene mo sentile ka mono wa mowa
Wow, waterfalls. Yeah. I often ask myself that the question, why rivers? Yeah, once you'd only go down a waterfall once. You know, every drop of water that goes down that waterfall only goes down once. It never goes down twice. So there's a lot of spirituality to a waterfall, man. You know, if you sit there and you watch the water flowing down the waterfall, it's a little bit like life. You only get one shot at it, man. You know, you can't go back and do it again. Lesotho is a very mountainous country with no fences that you can travel all around, and there are mountain communities dotted all around these high mountains that are very welcoming people, that are very gentle people, and you can go trekking through the mountains of Lesotho. Every day I wake up and life is an adventure out here. It's very open, it's very free. Nobody holds you back. You're very free to go wherever you want to.
Maletsunyane it means the water smoking little bit all the way through it.
The one highlight is the Maletsunyane Falls. It is such a beautiful part of Lesotho. The closest thing and the most exciting thing you can do at the waterfall is abseil off the waterfall. You know, you're walking right down this powerful waterfall. You really feel the waterfall. So it's a highlight of Lesotho. It's one of the most beautiful parts of Lesotho's nature, and this is the way you get the closest to it.
You think there's a snake at the bottom of the waterfall?
Yes, I'm thinking of it. I'm not worried because I'm not worried. I have like 20 years being with him, and I think he knows me because always I shout there before I throw the rope. Woo! Woo! Yes, I think he knows me. Just step on the left. Okay, here you go. You're fine.
No, I'm
You're fine. Stand up straight. Try to stand up straight. Don't lean back that much. Try to stand up straight. Here you go. Just step back. Step back. Now you're over the edge. Have fun. Okay. You're winning. Here you go. Got it.
The abseil is 204 meters. We abseil right down next to the waterfall. So you hear the water, you feel the spray, you really feel the power of this waterfall. And that's why we started it. It is the longest single drop commercial abseil in the world. Everybody says, I'm not going to look down, I'm not going to look down, but as soon as you're twisting, this whole view is on you, man, and you're like, ooh, there's the waterfall, there's the bottom, wow, what's that little dot down there, that's a guy down the bottom, you're like, what? There's a little ledge there where you can actually stop. There's lots of little pretty flowers around you, and then in that bottom third of the abseil, you've got all the spray hammering you, it's washing you. I say it washes you clean of all your sins. And it blasts you, and then you get down to the bottom where there's a guy waiting in the cave. But he'll untie you, and you sit there for a minute and just gather your breath, and then you do this climb out with this huge force of water almost blasting you up the cliff, and then you get into this little safe zone, and you stand in the safe zone and you look back and you're like, wow, man, whew, that was ridiculous. And then you stand there and you see the next person coming down, and it takes a little bit of time to find them on the cliff because they are such a small little dot. And then once you focus in on them, you realize, wow, that person is tiny, man. I can't believe I just did that. These huge big cliffs are ancient, and when you get out into these cliffs and you feel that time, it makes you realize just how insignificant you really are in the big picture of things. And that makes you really maybe live your life to your fullest in the time that you have it. You know, so when you get into nature, you have to really rage to the nature because you only have a very small time in it. And that nature has been there for millions and millions of years, and you get this very short time to enjoy it.